Let's learn how you can create 3D YouTube logo. So for this tutorial we will have to use Canva and Photopea. So in Canva you want to open and go to this home page. Now you want to click on more, and on search you want to type in YouTube, and here will appear a design of YouTube channel logo. Now here you can find what you need. For example, I want to have a podcast, so let's type in podcast logo and select some of these that is free. I will just have to go with the first one, obviously, because it's free. Okay, we can just edit right here, and you want to download it. We can just drop now file here. On Photopea you want to click on templates, and now here you want to select template that you like the most. I like this one right here, so we can use it. So when you open the template, this will be menu you want to see. You want to click on this your logo right here, so click right here, and as you can see it will open you a different tab. You want to turn off everything, just go to download page and open your logo, what you have downloaded. Now you want to resize it to the size you want. This is good enough. Now pull it up right here, and you want to click on file and create or save smart object. Now smart object will be updated, and when you go back right here, as you can see, your logo will be transferred to this one. Now you can just click on file and share it. You can download the image, everything, and you're finished. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.